Right now, your phone is a powerful money-making tool. It's not a laptop or expensive equipment. It's your smartphone, the same device you use for social media and scrolling. Most people don't realize how capable it is for generating income. I used to think that building an online income needed a proper workspace. I believed a laptop was essential and that smartphones were just for content consumption. Then I decided to challenge this belief. I ran my entire AI income workflow solely with my phone. I handled research, content creation, and promotion without a laptop or desktop. What I discovered changed everything for me, and it can change things for you too. Today, I'll share how to do this. Every app, step, and income stream is unveiled. This guide is beginner-friendly. If you own a smartphone, you already have what you need. Let's dive right in. First, people often ask if it's possible to earn with just a phone. The answer is a resounding yes. Every major AI tool is available on mobile now. Apps like Claude and ChatGPT have well-functioning mobile versions. Canva is user-friendly for design tasks, while 11 Labs and Pictory AI also have accessible mobile interfaces. Your phone is more than just a device, it's an advantage. You can capture ideas on the go, publish content instantly, and use your time efficiently. Anyone can start right now with this powerful tool in their pocket. To turn your phone into an AI money machine, you need to download the right apps. Here's your essential app stack, and all of these are free. Start with Claude by Anthropic. This is your go-to for writing and brainstorming. Next, download Canva for design. It's perfect for creating thumbnails and graphics in minutes. You'll also need Buffer for scheduling social media posts and YouTube Studio for managing your channel. Don't forget Gumroad for digital product sales and Notion for planning and tracking. Finally, access 11 Labs for voiceovers. This is your complete phone AI income stack. Take 20 minutes now and download each app. Your future workflow will benefit greatly from this setup. Next, let's talk about the daily content creation process that you'll perform entirely on your phone. Follow this sequence every morning to yield a published YouTube video within 90 minutes. Start your day with Claude. Enter a prompt asking for 5 high-demand YouTube video ideas. Pick the topic that aligns with your niche and audience. Use Claude again to generate a full video script based on your chosen topic. It should include a strong hook and real-world examples. Save this script in Notion for easy access. Next, open Canva to create a thumbnail. Choose a template that matches your channel's branding. Customize it and download it as a PNG. Now use 11 Labs for audio. Paste your script in the app, choose a voice, and generate the voiceover. It'll take just a few minutes. Upload the audio to Pictory AI. It will find relevant footage, generate captions, and create a complete video. Review and export your finished video to your phone. Finally, go to YouTube Studio. Upload your video and paste the title, description, and tags you generated in Claude. Add your Canva thumbnail and set your video preferences before publishing. Congratulations! You just created a YouTube video entirely on your phone in under 90 minutes. Now, it's time to promote your content effectively across multiple platforms. This is where your 5-platform promotion system comes into play. It will take less than 20 minutes per day and can be done immediately after your video goes live. Start with Instagram. Create an eye-catching graphic in Canva highlighting an insight from your video. Add a value-driven caption from Claude and post it. Then head to Twitter. Request a 5-tweet thread summary from Claude and share it, including your video link in the last tweet. For Facebook, craft a conversational post with a key takeaway. Share it on your profile and in niche-related groups. On LinkedIn, ask Claude for a professional post summarizing your insights and link your video in the comments. Lastly, use WhatsApp to share your video link as a status update. Send it to specific contacts who would benefit from the content as a personal recommendation. Now that your content is shared, let's focus on monetization. This involves establishing 5 income streams, all managed via your phone. First, YouTube AdSense kicks in after reaching 1,000 subscribers. Monitor your revenue through the YouTube Studio app. Second, affiliate marketing thrives through your video descriptions. track clicks and conversions from your phone. Third, Gumroad allows you to sell digital products. Use Claude to craft simple templates and track your sales daily. Fourth, sponsorships come as your audience grows. Manage inquiries and negotiations directly from your phone. Lastly, create a paid newsletter on Substack. Promote your newsletter in videos and convert your audience into paying subscribers. Each morning, spend 10 minutes reviewing performance across these income streams. Keep a pulse on your earnings to adapt your content strategy effectively. Let's recap how to turn your phone into an AI money machine. Step 1. Download your app stack. Claude, Canva, Buffer, YouTube Studio, Gumroad, Notion, 11 Labs. Step 2. Run your daily 90-minute content creation workflow. Step 3. Execute your 5-platform promotion system after each video release. Step 4. Activate and monitor your income streams daily. Step 5. Conduct a 10-minute morning analytics review to optimize performance. This system allows anyone with a smartphone to create an AI-powered income stream. Your phone is a tool for income creation. Choose to use it wisely today. What step will you take first? I read every comment, so let me know. If this video shifted your perspective, please give it a thumbs up. This will help others discover the potential hiding in their pockets. Remember to subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. Hit the bell notification for daily updates. And tomorrow, we'll discuss an exciting AI income opportunity you won't want to miss. See you then!